Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will know an interesting shipping configuration that is disable shipping methods at checkout. The businesses who are using more than one third-party logistic integrations for their store can use this application, and this application is useful for them as well. So main aim of this application is to disable any specific of your shipping carrier partners based on the given criteria. So for example, there are a few shipping partners, they do not ship any hazardous product, or they deny shipping a few products which are dangerous for them to carry. So we will disable such shipping carriers from the backend so that at the time the customer is checking out, they will not see the particular shipping carrier. So now we will see one such practical configuration that is done on my store. So first of all, as we have downloaded the application, you open your sales module, and under configuration you will go to shipping methods. Under shipping methods, you will see all the shipping methods that you have installed for your store, and we will filter the ones which are published on your store. So these are the four shipping methods currently on my store which are published. On the other hand, we will go to website. Let me clear the cart from here. So this is my website. So I want to configure my delivery method called FedEx Ground in some circumstances where I want that the parcels which are weighing more than 2 kgs will not be shown FedEx Ground, and if the parcel has the product name coffee mug will not be seen this shipping provider. So there are two things which can be done over here. You can disable based on the product category and product. You can disable based on the product weight. You can disable it on basis of the total amount of your shipping bill. These are the two or three criterias which you can choose to. We also have a COD feature where if you want the COD to be enabled, you can check out, and you can also mention the minimum and a maximum COD amount to be collected by the shipping carrier. So currently I am disabling the same. I want this coffee mug to be disabled when I'm shipping it from FedEx Ground, because I see that FedEx Ground is not shipping any fragile products. So this is what I have configured currently, and I have saved it. Once I have saved it, I'll go to my website, and if I go and purchase a coffee mug, add to cart. When I go to cart, proceed to checkout, you see that FedEx ground shipping method is not available over here. It has been disabled from over here. So this is one thing. And let's see another shipping method as well, which is I see ship station. Okay, so in this shipping method, they want that the office furniture category should not be shipped by them. So this is what I've configured over here. And now let's go to the website and shop office furniture, say comfortable chair. And this is into office furniture category. So let me add it to the cart. As I've added it to the cart, proceed to checkout. And you can see that this shipping method is not available over here. So I have only two shipping methods to choose from. One is not available because I've added coffee mug, and another one is not available because I've added this chair, which is under the office category. So this is how you can disable a few shipping methods based on these four criteria from your backend, and it also helps the shipping providers to ease the processes and the customers to know clearly that what things will be shipped by which couriers. So this is how this method works. Let us know if you face any issues for the same. Thank you.